insane.
Hey guys, welcome back to let's do that again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and I create lifestyle, nursing, faith and fashion content, and if you like to see more of that, please don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to click that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. So today, as you guys can see, we're kind of at a waterfall.
Okay. Pause right there. So let's do that again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and I create lifestyle, nursing, faith and fashion content, and if you would like to see more of that, please don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to click that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. So we are at the Seven Sisters today, and before we go any further, I'm just going to take you guys back to where it all started from. So as you guys can see from the clips, it was really hot, but tell me why every single time we go for a hike, we are always unfailingly losing our way. Like, why? Anyways, sorry guys for this half-ass vlog. It was really wet, it was really slippery, so I couldn't vlog that much while we were going down, and neither could I when we were coming back up, because I thought it was going to be easier coming back up, but boy was I wrong. It's so wet. Yeah. I. Okay, I'm going to have to stop filming because I don't want to fall. This hike down everywhere is so wet. Everywhere is so wet. Ooh! Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Have to walk. Yeah, like we still have to cut. wish I could have shown you guys more of what the hike looked like going down, but the way people were slipping and falling, I was like, But it was most definitely worth it. I'm just going to show you guys clips of how the waterfall looks like.
Tisha. Big head. Cow. Goat. Goat, and she turned back. You know your name. That's a whole workout there. Yo, that's what we're saying.
The hike was so much fun and definitely worth all the falls and all the slips, even though we didn't get to see all the waterfalls. And a little background, guys, it's called Seven Sisters because it has 7 different waterfalls, so we only got to see 2 of them. Other than that, it was really relaxing and just calming to sit down and just take all the views in. So hey guys, honestly, I was supposed to update you guys after the trip to Seven Sisters, but I've just been a bum and I've not really been doing anything. I've just been home, like, relaxing. So today is another workout day, and today I plan on actually reorganizing my room because I don't like how it looks like right now. So I'm going to go to the gym with Steve quickly, work out, grab something to eat, and then reorganize this room if I have strength once I'm done with all of that.
Nice. Let's go. Nice. Nice. Let's go. Hive.
was a good workout. Like, I'm all sweaty. I don't know if you guys can see. And then Steve wanted us to run up that hill, bro. But either ways, I'm gonna take a minute to breathe, then go shower, look for something to eat, and then try to see if I have strength to rearrange this room today, because if I don't, then I'm just going to have to do it tomorrow or something. But I will see you guys later. Okay, so I'm done and I'm back with my famous hairnet. But yeah, I'm done showering. I want to go make something to eat. I don't know if I should make something to eat first, or no, I think I'm going to arrange my room first because it's looking a hot mess. So I'm going to do that first, then make something to eat, and then edit this vlog because it's meant to come out tomorrow 2 p.m. and it is Thursday. I don't know why I do this to myself every single time, but yeah, that's the plan.
Remaining the same, I don't just stick to one lane. I want more, I want more. Keep your mind open, cause that's what I'm hoping for. I want more, I want more. I'll show a different side of me. I think you're gonna like that side.
So this looks a little bit more organized. Forget my bed, I'm going to do that later. But yeah, that is it. I'm going to quickly make something to eat. I actually don't even know what I'm going to eat, but we'll see when we get to the kitchen.
I keep it different. I know you really been itching for somebody new. I think that is cute. So don't overthink it. A breath of fresh air's what you needed. So breathe in. I hope that you see it. I'm at your door. I want more. I want more. Keep your mind open, cause that's what I'm hoping for. I want more. I want more. I'll show a different side of me. I think you're gonna.
I was going to make something to eat, but my sister is making swallow and soup, so I'm going to wait for that instead. And while I'm waiting for her, I have my mangoes right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, I'm going to snack on that while I edit this vlog because it needs to come out on time. And I've been slacking with like bringing out 2 videos per week. I said I was going to do that, but honestly, like, I don't know, I'm kind of scared to make the styling video that I want to, because I feel like it's not going to be the quality that I want, because I'm the only person going to be filming it, so I have to like move the camera in different angles. But we're going to see what we come out with. I would try to make the video, but yeah, while I wait for her, I'm going to edit this video. And also, I don't know why, but like this week I'm just even thinking about it because on Tuesday we went to see a friend. Like, we had a whole get together because she's leaving tomorrow, and it's just starting to dawn on me that all my friends are leaving. Like, I don't know, I'm just starting to think about it. But honestly, I don't want to say I'm thankful for COVID, because obviously nobody's thankful for COVID, but I'm thankful that because of COVID I got to spend a longer time with them, because obviously they would have left in like June or July, but because of COVID, like, they're here, and I obviously get to spend a little bit more time with them. But now it's just like they're going to leave, everybody's leaving. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but yeah, I'm just sad thinking about it, because now I'm going to be like, who am I going to go to their house to like disturb, or like, I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to finish eating my snack, wait for the food to get ready, and then edit this vlog out. So this is where I'm ending today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this type of content, please let me know in the comment section below. If you like to see more of this type of content, please let me know in the comment section. Also, if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments also. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.
You